After starting the boards and foundation software, you will reach on this window. To generate the question papers, you have to go to question bank. Just click on the question bank, you will go inside, and this is our totally offline software. Without internet, you can generate unlimited question papers in Word document. Boards and foundation software, we have added, you can see 6th to 10th foundation available and 11th 12th CBSE based questions are available. Currently, we are uploading the NDA class also. So in NDA, you can see now 4 subjects are available. We will update the remaining also. And in the 6th to 10th foundation, all 4 subjects available: physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Like I am going for 6th foundation. You can see physics, chemistry, maths and biology available. I am going for physics. In this one, easy level questions available. I am going for subjective type questions. Then all the chapters of physics are available. Like I am going for this temperature and its measurement. Then you have to select the topic wise. Mark wise questions also you can generate. Like total in this chapter, you can see total 66 subjective questions are available. When you click on any question, you can see the question in upper window and its solution in the lower window. So these are the subjective questions. Now suppose you want to add only 1 mark question, then select only 1 mark question. So in this chapter, total 25 mark questions available. So I am selecting 3 questions of 1 mark. For 5 questions of 1 mark, then you have to click on add to paper. So selected questions will come in right side, and after using a question, it will get in pink color, so that next time you will not repeat a same question again. But if you want to use the same question again, you can use. Then suppose you want to add 2 mark question or 5 mark questions also in the same test, then we have to clear it. Just clear it. In the medium level, in the 3 mark, total 33 questions available. So 2 questions I am adding from 3 mark also. Add to paper. Again clear it. In the 5 mark, total 8 questions available. So 1 question I am adding from 5 mark also. Okay, so like this you can select the subjective questions in mark wise manner. And in this chapter, now I am going for MCQ. So total are also available. Like I am selecting 3-4 MCQs. So like this, multiple question types also you can select in the same test. Then I am going for fill in the blanks. Total 18 questions available for fill in the blanks. I am 2 questions I am selecting from fill in the blanks. Then true and false, total 24 questions available. 2-3 questions I am adding from, you can see, true and false also. Again clear it. In the matching type, total 3 questions available. 1 question I am adding from the matching type also. Then assertion reason, total 19 questions available. 2-3 questions I am adding from the assertion reason also. Again clear it. The numeric problem, total 7 questions available. You can see the total available questions here. Then comprehension, total 2 questions available. Case study, total 6 questions available. So like this, in every chapter, questions are available in all the question types. And in the same test, suppose one more chapter of physics if you want to add, like I'm going for electricity and its circuits. Okay, suppose you want to add some MCQ of this chapter. Total 65 MCQs were available in this chapter. 2-3 questions I am selecting from here also. So like this you can customize. If you want to generate single chapter test, you can generate a single chapter test. If you want to mix the chapters, if you want to mix the subjects, you can do that thing. Like this you can customize. In the right side, when you click on show summary, it will show you everything from which chapter, how many questions you have added of what type. Sometimes you will have 5 to 10 chapters, so this option will help you in that case. Now to generate, just click on generate question paper and you have to select your institute template. Now what is template? Template is a Word document file. Like all these are good templates. Like this is MRMPU college template, you can see. This is MRMPU college template. So we have to create a template of your institute like this. Like this is Abhimanyu Institute template, you can see. Like this is Spartan Academy template. So like this, we have to create a template of your institute and we will add that in the software. So papers will be generated with your institute name and logo on it, and no restrictions. You can add many templates in the software. Same question paper you can generate by 10 names, 5 names or whatever names you require. Like I am generating this paper on MRMPU college, and you can start the question numbering from any digit. By default, it will start from 1. Suppose I am starting this question paper from digit 5. So just type 5 here and click on select template. Please wait is coming. That means in the background, it is generating our question paper. You can see this is the question paper file. And after that, it will generate the solution file, and it will generate in the sequence we have selected the questions. Like first it have added the subjective questions. You can see first we have the subjective mark wise questions. Then we have added the objective. So now we have the objective. Then we have added true and false type questions, matching type questions, assertion reason type questions. So it will generate in that sequence only. And here we have the solution of this file. You can see this is the solution of this file. And we have started the question numbering from 5. So question numbering is also started from number 5 and solution is also started from number 5. And now again the same question paper I am generating on Spartan Academy template. So you can see this time it will generate with a different institute name, but these are the same questions. So you can see. So like this, you can generate with your institute name and logo on it, and it generate the question papers in totally editable Word document. You can see everything is in editable format. If you want to change the column, if you want to do anything, you can do. It is in fully editable Word document. Here we have the solution. And in the solution also, all the equations are in editable format. If you want to edit any equations, you can easily edit. So like this, you can generate the question papers. Now, let's go for class 7th. So in the 7th class, we have added physics, chemistry, maths, biology, mental ability and social science are extra available. I am going for mathematics like fraction and decimals. So in this chapter, MCQ total 68 questions available. When you go for the subjective questions, total 146 subjective questions are available. Now let's go for 8th class. So in 8th class also physics, chemistry, maths, biology, then mental ability and social science are available. I am going for chemistry. Any chapter classification of matter. So in this chapter you can see subjective type total 97 questions available. When you go for the MCQ total 71 questions available, and remaining types are also available as I have explained you for class 6th. Like fill in the blanks total 17 questions available, true and false 7 questions available, matching type 13 questions available. So like this it is the questions are available. Now I am going for class 9th biology. So in 9th biology like tissues. So you can see in this chapter total 132 subjective questions available. When you go for the objective, total 103 objective questions available. I am going for 10th foundation. In 10th foundation physics, electricity total 111 111 MCQs are available. When you go for the subjective question, total 264 available. So it depends on chapter to chapter. And most of the quantities are available in subjective and objective questions, because mostly you will use these two type of questions. Now I am going for 11th and 12th, and in 11th and 12th, 4 subjects available: physics, chemistry, maths and biology, and subjective and objective questions you will get in every chapter. Like I am going for chemistry, chemical bonding and molecular structure. So in this chapter, easy level, total 388 subjective type questions available. When you go for the MCQ, total 333 objectives are also available. Like I am going for 12th CBSE, chemistry. Let's go for physics, any chapter like alternating current. So in this one, total mark wise 299 subjective MCQs are available. So these are the MCQs you can see. When you go for the subjective questions, total 79 subjective questions are also available in mark wise manner, as I have explained you for class 6. And you can see the mathematics chapters and you can see the physics chapters. So like this, we have added in this software, we have added 6th to 10th foundation and 11th 12th CBSE based subjective and objective questions. And in class 10th and 12th, we have added the case study questions also. So this is our updated boards and foundation software.